First person motivation. I walk into any room and people feel my presence. I speak and people listen. I move and the world takes notice. I am not timid. I am not hesitant. I am not afraid to take up space. I own my energy. I own my power. I own the way I carry myself. Confidence is not something I fake. It's something I am. I do not seek validation. I validate myself. I do not wait for permission. I take action. I do not chase. I attract. People respect me because I respect myself. People are drawn to me because I move with certainty. People listen to me because my words carry weight. I am magnetic because I believe in myself. I am confident because I trust myself. I am powerful because I own who I am. I do not shrink myself to make others feel comfortable. I do not doubt myself when I know I am capable. I do not let fear control my energy. I am bold. I am fearless. I am undeniable. I don't force connections. I let them happen naturally. I don't overthink my words. I speak with ease. I don't doubt my worth. I own it. I walk with my head held high. I carry myself like someone who knows their value. I show up like a person who deserves success. I attract the right people. I attract the right opportunities. I attract the life I deserve. Why? Because I exude confidence. Because I radiate power. Because I am magnetic. I will not dim my own light. I will not second guess myself. I will not be anything less than great. I am confident. I am powerful. I am magnetic. I am magnetic, powerful, and confident.